So what is up people, welcome to my channel TechTwist HD and this is your host Akib here. So today we'll be doing the unboxing and also the review of the Mi Band 4, which is a great fitness tracker for people out there. So let's jump right into the unboxing. So these are going to be the items which you will be getting into the box. So this is the user manual of the Mi Band 4. It's in Chinese and it's a long one. So there's a QR code also, you can see. And in the behind also it's full in Chinese. And the other one is going to be the charger. This is the original one. Unlike the Mi Band 3, this is a different one. And finally we get the Mi Band 4 itself packed inside a plastic sheet kind of thingy. So let me just open it. So here we have the Mi Band 4. So it comes with the original strap itself. And yeah, that's the heart rate sensor on the back. And now I'm just going to show you how to connect this to your smartphone. So let's go to that part. So here I have a setup. So first go to your Play Store and download the app called Mi Fit. I'll just put the link in the description. So after the installation is done, open the app and then go and sign up or sign into your account. So after signing in, automatically the language will change into English once you have connected the band. And then it's gonna ask a couple of permissions, so just read them and just click allow for what you need. So it will ask a set of permissions like options. So then on the top right corner you will see a plus button. Click on it and select device type, click on band, click agree. Then it's searching for the band and the band is confirmed, so you have to just click it, click the tick button on the band, and it's paired successfully. So it's asking me to activate this device, so you have to click OK. And now it's setting up the band. This process won't be available if you are buying a new band, because I had a Mi Band 3, so it's just going to restore all the settings which was in that to this, so it's going to take a while. And the band has been activated successfully. Just click OK and it's done. And now it's restoring the band settings which was in my Mi Band 3. And so there'll be a on-screen tutorial, so just read it if you want. So this is gonna be the page once you have activated it successfully. So that's how to connect your Mi Band 4 to your phone. So if you want more information about the app, just leave your comments below and I'll do it for you. And that's it. So hope you'll enjoy the video, and if you did, make sure you subscribe, like and comment, and see you guys in the next video.